Do you want to attract a person in your life, but you are not able to do that? Maybe you are practicing law of attraction for years or months, but still you are not able to attract that one person whom you want to attract in your life. Are you resonating with this problem? Then this video is going to help you, because in this video I am going to tell you 3 mistakes you are doing in the way of manifestation, which when you stop doing it you will start seeing result. Ready for the video? Stay tuned till the end. So if you don't know me and if you are new to my channel, hi, I am Sudeshna. I'm a mindset coach and healer, and I help people to reach their emotional freedom, to achieve their emotional freedom. So more about me in the later part of the video, but let's start. What are those mistakes you are doing? So point by point I will discuss 3 mistakes, but before that let me tell you the story because of which I thought to do this, record this video. What happened? One of my WhatsApp community member approached to me and said that, ma'am, I want to attract a girl for the last 3-4 years, and she was my girlfriend, and I had a I broke up with her, but I want to attract that particular girl. Is it possible? So I told him some of this point, but I wanted to tell him as well as people like him, so that you can understand in a detailed way. So if you are the person, listen to the video, watch the video till the end. Okay. So the first mistake maybe you are doing is you are very particular, like the boy I was referring. Don't be particular on a person. Again and again I will say, I know it's difficult for you because you want that particular person in your life, but can you guarantee that when you will attract that person in your life, you will be happy? You can trust that person can trust you, or whatever you want your relationship, you can be happy with that person, or that person will be happy with you? You can't. Because if that is so, then there would have not been so many divorce, even after love marriage in our country or around the world. So no one can guarantee that if you marry that person your life will be the way you want. But if you manifest how you want your life to be, like, I want my marriage to be super romantic, we are terrible love with each other, we trust each other, we are our best friend, we spend time, we share our secret, something like that. I'm just giving you few example. You can have your own uh, rules, right? You can have your own rules to get an amazing partnership, to get an amazing partner in your life. So don't, it can be that person, it can be any other person. Let universe work what is best for you. The first mistake you are doing, maybe you are fixed on that person, and that is why universe doesn't want to give you that problem, maybe. And you are very fixed, very rigid, that I want that person, and maybe that person is meant for someone else. So you are actually confusing universe that whether to give or not, whether to give that girl her best partner, or whether to give that girl to you so that you can be happy. So don't confuse universe. Tell universe what do you want in your love life, in your relationship, and let universe do the Google search and find the right partner for you. Got it? The next mistake I have seen many of my WhatsApp community member are doing is that, the way I said, that they are not focusing on how do they want to feel. They are focusing on the person, they are focusing on the deadline, they are focusing on many other things, but they are not focusing how their life would be, and they are not following the process. So they are focusing that I want to attract, but they are not focusing that they have already attracted. So manifestation is that you are believing that you have already attracted that person. So now how would your life be? That is the way you should practice manifestation, not that universe, I want this person, I want to attract that person. Then it's a desperation, and desperation is a negative energy, and with negative energy, universal any law doesn't work. So law of attraction never works on any negative energy, and your negative energy, negative emotion is actually repelling whatever you want in your life. So don't feel desperation, then don't feel rigidity. Just try to feel what do you want to feel. You want to feel love in your relationship? Start feeling love from today. Why you want to just wait for that person to come in your life? So start feeling love, and the more you feel love inside, you will attract the right person for you. So that is the second mistake, and how you can overcome the second mistake, right? The third mistake, what I have seen many people are doing, sometimes I also do while manifesting something, is not checking the belief, because belief is what is going to attract what you want to attract. So whenever we are manifesting something, unconsciously we ourselves believe that it's not possible. How can it be possible? So that is why we are not able to attract. So changing your belief is the most difficult part, because consciously it can't be changed. It has to be changed subconsciously. That is why all those um, again and again telling all those affirmation, that also works. Rewriting your subconscious mind using NLP, you can do the belief transfer, and there are some other ways also. Using EFT also you can do belief transfer. So you can use many techniques to change your belief, but you need to change it. You first have to believe that yes, it's possible to attract a partner with whom you can feel that feeling. But now you can ask me, Sudeshna, how do I know what I do? What do I believe? Maybe I believe that, yeah, I can attract that type of partner. Just ask yourself. Because if you would have believed, you would have by now attracted. So I know it's difficult to agree, but because you have not attracted it, that means you are not fully convinced yourself. You do not believe yourself that yes, it's possible. Just check, ask yourself why I am not attracting that partner, because, and then you yourself will tell that maybe that partner is not interested, maybe this, all those maybe or whatever reasons you are giving, that's your belief, that's your limiting belief, and that is what limiting is actually limiting your manifestation. So now you know what are those three mistakes you are doing, right? So start working on these three mistakes, and I also told how to overcome all those mistakes. If you want to be part of my community, I have a wonderful community, Mindset Reviving Hub, where we practice all those manifestation, visualization, Ho'oponopono healing, EFT, chakra meditations, everything together. I call it daily dose of healing. So every day, Monday to Friday, 4 days a week, we practice from 8:30 to 9 with my community member. How to join? What are the charges and all? I can tell you. If you join the WhatsApp community mentioned in the description, then my team will reach out to you, and then you can have discussion that how you can join my community. But even if you are not ready for it now, practice from my YouTube videos. There are so many EFT videos. Check if there is any EFT videos which suits your belief. So whatever you have a belief or feeling, so suppose you have a doubt that whether it will really work or not. So in my YouTube video there are EFT to change the doubt. So do the EFT, release your doubt immediately. But you have to do it again and again, because then maybe doubt is your pattern, and everywhere you feel the doubt same way, right? So keep on working on yourself, because these are the thing actually is limiting you to achieve whatever you are meant to achieve. You can achieve that. Only thing is you have to keep on practicing. Thank you so much. If you watched till now, I really, really love you for that. And if you join my WhatsApp community and ping, you can just message the admin number. My team will forward you a free meditation and healing course where I think 7 to 8 meditation and healing videos are already there. You can practice from those meditation and healing videos, and I am sure you will get a lot of result by practicing these free meditations and healing videos. Thank you so much once again. See you. If you have not subscribed yet, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon so that every time I upload a new video, you will get the notification. Bye bye.